Hello students, today we will discuss how to create linked text and how to display the images. So firstly, we discuss how to create the linked text. If you have written something that we have written Microsoft Word here and you want to link here this text to this URL, whenever you press the Microsoft Word where this URL will open, then you're having a formula here. The formula is, firstly press the equal, then you're having the option here, hyperlink. It is a function hyperlink. Then you give your cell name which contains the URL. Our cell C6 contains a URL. Then you apply the comma. The other thing is the address of the cell at which you want to apply the link, and this is B6. Now when you're going to press the enter, then you get the link text here, that is Microsoft Word. When you're going to click this, then this URL will be open. So it is the way how you create linked text. Now our next further part is the display images. How to display images? We can display images by using a URL. We can also upload the images to our spreadsheet. So first see how to use the images link by using the URL. For example, if you're having a URL that contains, if you're having the URL that contains an image, then you're going to apply the formula. That formula is equal to hyperlink the cell name that contains the URL, comma, image. If you say that at D you want to have the image C7, you just press image C7, then you're going to get the URL. Here you are getting the URL. Look, when you go to this, you are getting the URL. Now what is this for? You can see there is no image here, but you have given the URL of that image. That's the way you can include your images in the URL, and you have just included that URL, and that is included in your spreadsheet. Now the other way to get the images into your worksheet is to upload the images. How you do it? You're just going to have the insert tab. You have the option of image here. When you're going to click this, it will ask you to drag an image here, or it will ask you to upload an image. So you're having the options here. Take a snapshot. In this you should have the webcam by URL that we included in our spreadsheet, or your albums, or the Google Drive, or you want to search online. So these are the way how you get images inserted in your spreadsheet. Thank you.